Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Benita Galore. How y'all doing? Tell you something. The reason why I'm so hyped today is because we're doing a cool video, but I got my nails done. Like, I got my nails done. I don't know if you guys feel the same way I feel, because you know other states are opening up and stuff like that, but my nails are done. I did my nails, my feet, my fucking brows. I feel like a new person. Like, oh my god, it's so good. And you know, the world is opening back up, so that's good. I'm able to do the things that I used to be able to do. I'm just like really happy. But hey guys, how's my family doing? How's everything? I hope you guys are still surviving this COVID-19, because I'm being able to shoot out videos like it's nothing. So videos after videos after videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Benita Galore. Today's video is something fun. So I'm doing a hair mask. So it's a special video because it's Cardi B's hair mask. So she had a story the other day and she did a hair mask for her and culture. So I'm like, yo, this looks pretty cool. Like, let me try this out. So we got all of our ingredients here. I watched the video. We got olive oil. She said I just did it. She said olive oil, but she had avocado oil. I saw it in the video. So guys, yeah, avocado oil, argan oil, Jamaican black castor oil, honey, 2 eggs, mayonnaise, and an avocado. Okay, so we're going to like literally get right into this video because it's gonna be long, since gotta cut shit up and like, you know, mash it up and, you know, authentication so you know it's real. But yeah, it's supposed to take forever. So she said that it's for good hair growth, and like she said that wigs are really good for hair growth. I knew wigs was good, but when I was wearing wigs heavy, I wasn't taking care of my actual hair. So I'm gonna try doing that this time around. Yo, avocados be looking mad sexy, like a freaking natural ombre. You know nature is beautiful if that's the case. I can never pit these shits. Like, oh my god. Every time I fucking try, you know, and I don't want to cut myself because this knife is brand new and sharp as hell. You know what? Whatever. I'm just gonna go around it. F this. Fuck it up. Yeah, we're just gonna mess up the whole avocado. Yo, avocado toast is like, it's really mainstream right now. I don't want to say overrated, because it does taste like really good. That's what the point I'm getting to, that it tastes like mad good. But I feel like whenever there's a hype about something, everybody jumps on it and it's just like not even special anymore. So, you know, so, oh, and my nails suit the video because Cardi B's nails, for the record, are mad long. And yeah, I'm like, that's my girl. I like her. She's a fun individual. Yeah, we're gonna cut around this damn seed, since the seed wants to act stupid and not release from shit. I almost cut myself. not a mess. We got some avocado. So she used 2 avocados. I'm only using 1. I don't have a culture. So this should be enough for me and my big, small head. My head is like big and small at the same time. It's so weird. No, because my boyfriend would be like, "Me head is big as that." But I feel like because this is like not even ready yet, I shouldn't even try mashing it up. I should just add all the ingredients to it and blend it. Because literally, so we're gonna add some olive oil. Avocado oil. I'm saying the wrong thing too. Avocado oil. And then, so let's put some argan oil in. We're going to add some black castor oil. So this is what the bowl is looking like now. And I know black castor oil is supposed to be black, but I don't know. I think I got the fake one, whatever. That'll still work on me tight. Some honey. She said she didn't add a lot because of culture and the stickiness. Listen. So try to mash up as you go. If you end up getting a softer avocado than I do, you know, you're lit. If not, you're not lit. Nah, you're still lit. So now we're gonna add a good gunk of this. She didn't measure any, so I'm not gonna measure any either. I'm just gonna go as I see. I'm gonna use the knife because this is still food and I'm not wasting food. So I'm gonna put a little bit more than that, maybe that much. So that much, and I'm gonna put, so she put 2 eggs, maybe because it was 2 avocados, so maybe I should only do 1 egg instead of 2. I'm trying to see. This is what I'm make sure it looks like now. The component didn't come together yet, of course, because it's oil and stuff. So I'm gonna put this in a blender and come back and show you guys. So give me 1 sec. Okay, so I'm back. I just blended it up. So now this is what it looks like. Mixed up and beautiful. We're gonna try to evenly distribute it. No. So there we have it. Now to wait. I'm gonna wait like 20 minutes and then wash it out and show you guys. Here we go. A hair mask. Thanks, Cardi. Okay, so this thing is like OD curl defining, like, bro. Oh God. So I gotta rewash this. I don't think I got out all the freaking, and this is what Cardi said, it's hard getting out avocado chunks in your freaking hair. But OD defined. You can see like everything. I don't know how to like really show y'all, but See this? Like, the curl pattern is sick. Like, this mask did wonders. I'm gonna try to really get some more of it out, but y'all, I'll be back. I just washed out the mask. As you guys can see, the curls are like OD defined. Like, I like it a lot. I feel like my curl pattern has gotten like really tighter, I guess because my hair is getting healthier, so it's like getting its truer form than before with like these top loose curls like you can see here. But it's like really coming together, so I'm gonna moisturize my hair more. It's like really soft from the mask, but you know, that only lasts for so long. So now I'm gonna add the Mael rice water, moisturizing milk, and the serum, the split end therapy on the ends of my hair. I'm about to get my hair braided soon, which is like in 2 days, so I'm not going to twist my hair up. I'm just going to basically let it air dry, put my hair up in a bun, and just blow dry tomorrow. But I just wanted you guys to see like the results of this mask. Your hair comes out really moisturized, like OD, and I feel like it's a good way for hair growth because of all the oils that you're putting into it, and the mayonnaise and egg, and you know, the avocado, of course, which is the highest protein of everything. So yeah, this is all you're gonna really get, because I gotta oil my scalp, put this hair up, and you know, that's it. So love you guys. See you guys in the next video, which will be my hair braiding.